Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Lynn here with a brand new video. Super excited that you're here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any other amazing videos that we post here on the channel, okay? So today we are doing some t-shirt transfers on a t-shirt, okay? So I'm using this brand here. You guys can go ahead and take a screenshot of that because that is what we're going to be using. All you need for this project is going to be this machine, a t-shirt, and then your print, okay? So with the print, all you have to do is go ahead and print it out from an HP printer, which is exactly what I ended up doing. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut it out myself. Now, this is the portion of the t-shirt design where I could have had Cricut weed it for me, but the problem is this paper is such a delicate paper because you are going to be using heat to transfer it onto the t-shirt. So I didn't want the Cricut machine to ruin it. So I just went ahead, since this was a big enough design, I just went ahead and cut it out myself. And here you guys can see I chose a beautiful, bright and colorful image of these gorgeous orchids. I think that orchids have been super popular lately, and so I've been able to just go ahead and create a beautiful image of that beautiful orchid. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that onto a shirt. Next, what I'm doing here is grabbing an X-Acto knife and making sure to cut out the rest of my design. This was super easy since, you know, I mean, it was a complicated design, but the X-Acto knife made cutting those little annoying parts really easy, which I'm really appreciative about. So yeah, you definitely need an X-Acto knife to be able to do a lot of this work. So next, once I have my design ready, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my shirt from this gorgeous heat press, you guys. This heat press has so many amazing features, but all you want to do for your design is, of course, you want to mirror it when you're doing it on Canva, but you do want to make sure that you put your t-shirt transfer on the printed side down, and then with the back, that's where you're going to apply the heat. Okay, so for the machine, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I forgot the exact degrees that I ended up heating the shirt to, but once it reaches that, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys exactly what it is. So we're going to go ahead and let the machine warm up, but as you guys can see, the design is nice and ready to go. And then here the machine is making sure to you know, get to that right temperature so that we can actually press our t-shirt. Now, this machine is absolutely wonderful, you guys. It helps you keep track of how many t-shirts you're pressing. So if you have a business, or if you're someone who needs to keep track of all of those things, then this machine is definitely the perfect one for you. It also has a 360 rotating head, but of course, because it's in this corner, I'm not able to show you guys that, but you can go ahead and adjust so many different things with this machine. And another amazing feature of this machine is that it has 8-in-1 different parts that come with it that you're able to hook onto the machine and apply it. So it has a hat press as well as 2 different size mug press, and then it also has a plate press. So there are so many different amazing projects that you can go ahead and do with this wonderful machine. Okay, so now that our machine is nice and warmed up, I think I set it to 365 for a couple of seconds, and then you guys will be able to see that in a little bit here. But I just put my image down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and use one of these sheets that they have actually provided you with the machine, which is absolutely amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and push the tray back under there, and then go ahead and press that. Okay. Oh, okay. So I did it for 300 degrees and for 14 seconds, I believe. So that's what we ended up doing. These images, you want to go ahead and make sure that you have the right temperature set. Usually the paper will tell you exactly what temperature you need to set the machine to. But yeah, this was absolutely amazing. I mean, pressing t-shirts is just something that is so much fun to be able to do. And if you really want to be serious about starting a business, then you should definitely go ahead and, you know, start practicing on a couple of projects, which is exactly what I've been doing. And I think that this is the machine that is absolutely amazing for that. It is a pro level machine, but it's super easy to use. When I tell you guys, you don't have to assemble it yourself. Everything comes already assembled. So now that our image is done, we're going to go ahead and let it cool off for a little bit, just to make sure that everything is nice and set. Now we are ready to peel our design. So I'm going to go ahead and start peeling it off. As you guys will be able to see, yeah, it's absolutely stunning, you guys. I mean, it really looks really pretty. I am so surprised at how bright this Avery paper is able to print your design. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. So if you have an HP printer, an inkjet printer, then you can go ahead and print off your image and it will transfer to this beautiful vinyl, really nice texture design. It's super soft, you guys. It folds really nicely and you're able to wash the t-shirt and dry it as normally as you would any regular t-shirt. But I am super proud of how this project turned out. Again, this video today wasn't meant to be long, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys that you can indeed go ahead and start pressing some t-shirts for this year. Set your goals, you know, start practicing and see how many different skills you can improve on when you are making your t-shirts. So one thing I will let you guys know is that if you have any questions, never hesitate to go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. I am more than happy to help you guys kind of figure out this journey together. And if you guys have any tips or anything new that you've discovered as well, then go ahead and let us know any different type of brands that you guys know would be perfect for pressing t-shirts. I love this one because it's super easy to just be able to print it, cut it out, and then go ahead and apply heat and you have yourself a gorgeous radiant image. Okay, so I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video and I'll talk to you guys later.